Hello everyone. Today we are going to start part B of quantitative aptitude, which is logical reasoning for CA foundation. So quantitative aptitude logical reasoning. Okay. Now, what's logical reasoning? Logical reasoning helps us develop analytical thinking, which is extremely important for chartered accountants. Okay. Okay. In logical reasoning, we'll pick one topic which is most frequently asked topic in CA foundation examination, that is number series. Okay. Okay. What is number series? Number series is nothing but arrange a number according to a particular pattern or rule. For example, I have a sequence of numbers like 2, 4, 6, 8. And then, yep. So the number series, as a definition, the numbers are arranged according to a particular pattern or a rule. Our job is to identify the pattern and find the missing or next number. That's it. Okay. In number series, we have few patterns, but today we will pick three important patterns. Pattern one, difference pattern. Number two will be mixed pattern, and the last one will be alternate pattern. Okay. I would give one of the exam tip is when you see the number, the consecutive numbers, first see what's changing in the numbers. Between the numbers, what all things are changing. Okay. Okay. Let's jump into the patterns one and we'll see analyze one by one to improve our logical thinking. That's it. First pattern, as I mentioned, I'll write the pattern name, difference pattern. Okay. What's difference pattern? I will also write the sequence, same sequence, which is yes. Now find out the last number, the next number here. Okay. When you look at this series of number, the difference between two consecutive terms are constant here. 2, 4, 6, 8. So between the two consecutive terms, the difference is plus 2. It's increased by plus 2. So the next number would be 10. Okay. This one is a simple pattern. Okay. And you can always find when you go for a number series question, first you apply your mind whether it is a difference pattern because it's a simple in the number series. Okay. Let's move on to little bit highly logical thinking pattern, that is mixed pattern. What is that? Mixed pattern. As the name suggests, mixed pattern, the difference between the numbers in the series of numbers or in the sequence of numbers will not be constant. Okay. I would also give one more exam tip for the CA foundation students. The moment you see you are not able to find, yes, this pattern is not a different pattern, don't guess further. Apply the step one by one in an analytical manner and try to find out the correct number. Here, 2, 6, 12, 20. This is my mixed pattern question. One sec. The mixed pattern, we are going to find out what is the next number after 20. As I mentioned, this is not constantly increasing, so it will be it is falling under a different pattern. So what are all the way we can analytically think and solve this, the last number, find out the last number. When you look at this one, assume that the number starts from 0. Okay, 0 plus 2 equal to 2. And then 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. So the difference is going like 2 and then 4 and then 6 and then 8. Okay. Now I hope you all would be able to say the next number would be what? Would be increased by 10. Okay. So here you put the next number would be 30. So you can find one small thing here, which is systematically it is increasing. Okay. Little bit more analytical thinking required for CA foundation students to solve this mixed pattern. It's not like difference pattern. You can easily identify the pattern and find out the next number. Now it will be little complex. Okay, fine. This is the mixed pattern. And the next one would be alternate pattern. Alternate pattern. As it says, the name suggests alternate. What do you mean by alternate here? There's a sequence of number. The alternate number will follow some rule or pattern. That's it. We'll see one example and evaluate that example as well. And my system is a little bit dodgy here. Okay. I'm going to write one example for alternate pattern, which is 1, 3, 2, 6, 3, what? What is this number? See, when you are not able to maybe identify the pattern which is different or systematic, don't guess further. Okay, when it is confusing, then immediately apply for a odd sequence terms and even sequence terms here. Okay, here what is odd sequence terms? Odd. 1, 2, 3. What is the even sequence number? Even sequence terms 3, 6, let's wait. So the odd is increased by 1, 1, 2, 3, and the even terms are increased by 3, 3, 6, and the last one will be 9. That's it. This is called alternate pattern. Okay. I would like to give some exam tips for the CA foundation. See, number series are the most common and frequently asked questions in CA foundation exams. Okay. And also, my important exam tip is don't guess. So then it will be a trap for you. You don't have to be able to find a term, apply the pattern always, and then just move on. The last one is by practicing this number series, yes, you can easily fetch more marks in that area. Okay, let's conclude. What we have seen today is a logical reasoning. In the logical reasoning, the important topic which most frequently asked in the exam, number series, and in the number series, as I mentioned, few patterns, but there are some important patterns: difference pattern, mixed pattern, and alternate pattern. All the three patterns which we studied with one example. Okay, by practicing these patterns, yes, you can fetch more marks. Okay, any question? Thank you. Wishing you all the best.